Hi everyone, it's Gail, and happy Sunday to you all. I have a quick little video here. I got just under the wire. I got my April digitals done. As you know, it's a little goal of mine to try and do a new digital every month. So this month is the Raggedy Ann book, the 1918 copy of Raggedy Ann. And I am so happy with how it came together. The pictures on the digital are way more colorful and sharper than the originals. So super tickled. So let me just flip through. There are 3 kits. I couldn't leave any of these pictures out. They're all too adorable. So so this is the first kit, and it will have 5 pages in it. This was the end papers of the book, and love that, how that came out. Yeah, so just the full page photos I did as like 2 pages. And then each kit has several pages of smaller photos that could be made into journal cards and such. So, so yeah. That's how they turned out. Now, this one will be kit 2 here. This is so cute with the doggy looking at her. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these as pages. So they'll be, oh, I don't know, like 8 pages or something. And then use the smaller pictures as journal cards and decorations, pockets, things like that. So let's see, so there's 2 there, and I think there's 3 here. So you get 7 pages about, and then these smaller little bits for journal cards. Isn't that one funny where she's flopped over? Oh, and there's those. And then this one, she's hung up to dry. So yeah, I am excited. I don't know. I think this might be my next on-camera journal because I can't hardly wait. Aren't they so cute though? They're so cute. So this is kit 3. And yeah, that chicken is not happy with Raggedy Ann right now. And this was the last page of the book, and I kind of loved what it said, so I left the writing there too. And then a couple more journal card pages. So I'll just cut these out and make stuff. And then this one has 4. So there you have it. There is my April digital. It's on my Etsy, CinnamonT. I'll go ahead and link them down below the video. So if you're interested in crafting along with me, we can do that. So yeah, that's the scoop for this Sunday. I hope you're having a good one. Have a grateful day. Be kind always. We'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.